Okay, so here we are, freshly nickel plated. Just color buffed everything. Next stage, I just have to re-rivet the brackets back to the buckets, and they'll be done. But I'd say pretty impressive. Look at the reflection. Look at the reflection. Look at the detail in the reflection. This is what you're seeing. There's a macro mirror finish. So you see, here is the inside of the headlight. All this is these little marks. They're all solder. If you remember, I took a piece of 12 gauge wire, the ground, and I put it all the way in the back edge and soldered it all the way around, created a ring, which is gonna make this headlight ring stronger than it's ever been. And I mean, everything's pretty much all done. They came out gorgeous. Yeah. They probably, I hate to say it, but they never looked that good when they were new. Our finished product. Just got done re-riveting in. They're not pop rivets. See, I actually put a washer on the outside of the rivet. What it does is actually displaces the head of the rivet a little bit, and it makes it so much stronger. But these things came out awesome. I can't wait to deliver them to the gentleman. The reflection in them, everything is just nuts.